This is Baxer, your pint-sized, freewheeling robot, always on the move. He comes ready to play right out of the box with a ton of cool features. First, let's turn him on. Say hello to the camera, Baxer. He says hello. Baxer's available in two colors, blue and carbon black. We'll be switching between colors throughout the video. If at any time you want to speed through, you can click the next chapter in the area below. I'll cover remote control, card scanning, app mode, and other helpful info. If left alone, Baxer will naturally interact with his environment. This is autonomous mode. He is equipped with 4 IR sensors, 2 in the front, 1 on the back, and 1 on the bottom. Come on out, you're not the one to be shy. Come on. To have Baxer perform a wheelie, move your hands smoothly and swiftly toward the back of Baxer, like this. Good job, Baxer. Baxer always likes to shake things up and have a good time. Wanna see? Just give him a shake. And Baxer gets dizzy. But watch out, he might get sick. Tickle Baxer by rubbing his wheels like this. Good thing you can't tickle back. The remote control is one of the cool ways to interact with Baxer. Activate remote control mode by first turning the remote on by pressing one of the stunt buttons. The red light on the controller will let you know that it's on. Then point the remote at Baxer to start driving him around. Baxer's got 6 wheels for ultimate maneuverability. The left joystick moves Baxer forward and back, while the right joystick moves him left and right. These left and right buttons perform Baxer stunts. Let's try a front flip. All you need to do is push both buttons down at the same time. Ready? Oh yeah. Baxer comes with 10 activity cards. Each one unlocks different games you and Baxer can play together. You see, the cards have a cool graphic on them showing you what game it is. The reverse side has a scannable barcode and an outline area for where you position Baxer's front wheels. To get started, we'll turn them on and select soccer. Next, place Baxer on top of the card so that his front wheels are in the outlined area. Then, push the back button. Baxer will move forward to scan the card and then launch into the gameplay. If Baxer beeps at you, that's okay. It just means Baxer couldn't scan the card. Once he calms down, you might need to reorient him on the card again so that the front wheels are on the outlined area. Let's try again. Perfect. Let's test his soccer skills with this goal I made. Make it in. Go! Baxer has his very own app that you can download from Google Play or the Apple Store. Once inside, you can unlock even more cool Baxer features. Within the app, you'll see a grid of various activity cards. Once selecting an activity card, you'll be shown a brief in-app tutorial on how to use that card. Turn Baxer on, then press his back button for 2 seconds. Baxer will make 2 chime sounds. This lets you know that Baxer is in listening mode and ready to play. Make sure your volume is all the way up on your device so Baxer can hear it. Baxer might be a little hungry, so let's give him a bean burrito. Swipe up to send it to Baxer. If Baxer doesn't receive the signal, he won't take action. If that's the case, you might have to send the activity card a few times. There we go. It really is the musical fruit. The more you play with Baxer and the app, the more activity cards you unlock. When you level up, you will see a congratulations screen allowing you to reveal a new activity card. If at any time you need help navigating through the app, you can tap the question mark icon in the top right corner of the main screen. This is where you come if you want to replay the introductory tutorial, check out FAQ sheets, or send us a question. Baxer is a ton of fun until he runs out of power. But charging Baxer up is easy. Simply connect the included USB charging cable onto the back of Baxer, and the other end into your computer USB or wall charger. The red light on Baxer's back will blink to let you know that he's charging up. Once charging is complete, Baxer's light will turn solid red and you can unplug the USB charger. Flip his switch to on, and Baxer is eager and ready to play again. Welcome back, buddy. You can visit boxerthebot.com to experience even more Boxer fun. Say you happen to misplace an activity card or want to play with Boxer without a phone. Here you can download and print all 26 cards. Awesome, right? There's also some sweet printable line tracks that you can use for go-kart mode. Well, we've covered some cool tech and you've learned the basics of using the remote control and the app. But there's still lots more to explore with your new little bud. He says yes. Thanks for hanging out. Now go have fun playing with your bot. We're gonna go play some soccer.